Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Lifestyle with Din. It's early morning here in Navi Mumbai, Vashi. We're at the mini seashore, just about reaching, and I thought today we will talk about how all celebrations or calamities are not the end, they are beginnings. So keep watching Lifestyle with Din, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit on the subscribe button and like this video. Roll credits. So guys, the Navi Mumbai Mahanagarpalika has done a really great job with the space utilization of this mangrove area, and as I talk about them, here they are, Navi Mumbai Mahanagarpalika, and this is pretty organized, it's pretty clean, it's pretty as much as you can organize nature, and keeping its purity in mind, keeping its nature of randomness in mind. That's what we have witnessed here, and that's what life is all about. Sometimes we try to hack life in ways which are not natural. Life, death, celebration, sadness, all are a part of life, and what happens most often is that we tend to get over affected by them. We tend to over celebrate things like weddings, festivals, and then if someone passes away, which everyone will, we get overtly depressed. So notice that, learn that from nature. Everything keeps moving on just like these amazing people, and if you are moving on in life, then I think you're giving others the opportunity of moving on and taking this life forward, because I have said this before and I'm saying it again. Every occasion which is a calamity or which is a celebration is not the end as depicted by movies. It is just the beginning. Stillness and peace is of maximum value as noticed by this little stroke. If it is not still, it won't win the prize, the early morning catch. So remaining still through both calamities and celebrations is essential. Talking about modernity, keeping a check on nature as well. Right here we see the trees are not being disturbed, but the motorable road for everyone to walk is very much in place. So for everyone who's in a process of creating technologies and growth which are leading to the welfare of society, it's very essential for us to take care of nature and to not only accommodate nature but also not disturb it while making the case for future growth. And Elon Musk talks a lot about it, and he's dedicated towards it. So big ups to them and his company up at Tesla. He makes a case for taking care of the environment and as much as possible, and then progressing, and that's the kind of people who do actually make real-time progress. And what I'm trying to hint at is that in terms of your business, personal life, you have to make sure that you are firstly preparing in advance. Preparing in advance means anchoring yourself well in life, being self-aware, so that when certain circumstances make themselves present, like calamities or certain wild celebrations, you're not losing your mind. You celebrate, but you have your consciousness intact. You are sad, but you know that you're grounded. Same we can learn from growth in nature and in business. Yes, grow. No one is stopping you from growing, but not at the expense of someone else, not at the expense of nature. And that is the critical aspect of not losing your mind, because if you notice, You are forced to be excited in every way possible the more you interact with digital media. And my point in life is to make people celebrate, go through different depressing phases of life, but not losing their wits about themselves. So guys, now we are headed towards the more populated part of the mini seashore, the park, the entire lake, and we will be working out a little and we will be enjoying ourselves. I hope you enjoy yourselves too. And yes, let's put a workout reel out with this. The good morning bars. This is really amazing. Didn't expect to see all this. Birds playing with the surface of the water in perfect motion, and then there's also this little gentleman who's out. Hey son, hope you have fun. Guys, as you could see, both celebrations and calamities have to be transcended. They don't have to be stuck up on. In the workouts you could see people who are much more elder than me doing movements I can't even dream of. And that is what growth is all about. So give yourself the scope for growth. Give yourself the scope to take every little moment as something new. And if you do that, you give yourself the power to not get stuck up. Not get stuck up with calamities or celebrations. We recently saw some very important, distinct personalities pass away. Some celebrities getting married, and the world is just having a hue and cry about it. But both these things are starts, not the end. So with a lot of respect and love, please understand that over glorifying celebrations and over depressing on calamities is not the way. The world keeps moving on, and you should keep moving on with it. Yes, we have to grieve. Yes, we have to celebrate, but know the line, because Most times people don't know the line, and that's where they fail. With that being said, please like this video, share it with someone you like, and keep moving forward wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Cheers.